If you are a Mac user, you may face low disk space error, or you may worried about why system data and other storage is taking so much space. So both of these issues, this is the perfect video for you. There you may find many options which might not work for you. In this video we are going to find the solution in practical way. As we dive in today's video, I want to take a quick moment to thank you all of you who have been subscribing and engaging with the videos. Your support means a lot to me. It's what keeps this channel going. Now let's find the recommended solutions. Basically, it helps to increase available storage. Go to System Settings, General, Storage. Here I have around 18 GB available storage. System storage around 16 GB and macOS around 20 GB. Now activate optimize storage. Always so that the system automatically delete movies, TV shows you have already watched. And turn on empty bin automatically. So macOS will delete the stuff from your bin which is more than 30 days. And also delete unused apps and any large file which is not required. And also delete the iOS backup file if you do not need it. Let's go into little advanced steps. So now open user library from Finder menu bar. Go, then press option key to view the hidden library. You may also go from go to folder option. Then you need to type ~sign library. Go to caches folder, delete caches file. Generally it is safe to delete caches on Mac, or you can also check and delete those caches which occupied more space. To view according to space in list view, click size to list accordingly with size. If you are unable to view size, then go to view, so view option, then calculate all size. Now list will appear by size. Those caches file are temporary file which is created by application to speed up process and performance. But over time those caches are accumulated and take up space on hard drive. Deleting them won't harm your system, but it can free up valuable disk space and improve the performance, especially from corrupted and outdated caches file. Then check for any additional user account which are not using anymore. For this, go to Apple icon, system settings, then user and groups. Now click I icon beside the user account which you want to delete. Type your password, then delete the home folder. If you not check this delete the home folder, user data will be in your Mac hard disk. If you check this, then it will delete all data from your deleted user accounts. Again going to library folder, then internet plugins, delete under internet plugin if you are not using it. Delete skin server, sometimes it takes lots of storage. Then go to application support, find this folder which is occupy more space. Look carefully that you are using this app or not. If you are in doubt, then do not delete it. Deletion might create problem if you using it. In my case, there are Brave software which is internet browser. If I delete this, data and settings will be deleted from Brave browser. So I have no issues with that and I am deleting it. Empty bin, we can check free space is increased. I am happy with it. And also delete those application folder which is not needed anymore. Now go to logs and delete log file. Delete container file. It will also increase the system storage. And from Finder also search for any DMG file. Before doing this, I will suggest to eject any external drive. Find DMG and delete those and empty bin. Now I am happy with the cleanup process. Hope it is help you. If you have any queries and suggestion, please comment below. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.